Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do the wood chop. For our wood chop, we're going to grab the band with both hands palm down, stepping out slightly, and then now the same thing as the torso rotation where we're going to bring the band all the way to where we touch our arm and pivot the inside foot. Now there's a quick tutorial on how to do the wood chop. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Wood chop, throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.